Hey everyone, my name is David D'Souza and I'm the founder of SheetXAI. Now check this out. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to go inside of Excel and we're going to figure out how to remove white space from an entire spreadsheet at once. That means every column, every row, we're removing white space. That is leading, trailing, all of it, right? And this is exactly how to do this, right? So first, you go to Excel. So in Excel, as you can see right here on the left, we have a whole bunch of data, right? And with some of these, there's some white space, right? Like, for example, here, this, for example, has a double space, right? I believe some of them have spaces at the end or at the beginning. Really, a lot of these have just spaces that are not supposed to be there. Like this, for example, this phone number has a space in front. Now, here's the problem with having spaces is that if you have the wrong spaces, it's going to mess up your formulas every single time. Now imagine having to do this manually. You would literally have to go in and delete one space, then going, find more space, delete it. It's literally too much work, right? Instead, you could just open Excel. You could click on SheetXAI, which you can find right here in the task pane, or if you click your add-ins, right? And then the next step, you just gotta come here and you just type this. Strip all extra spaces from every column, leading, trailing, and double spaces in the middle. You talk to it like you would talk to a human. And then when you press send and you just give it a second, watch the magic happen. And boom, no more white spaces, no more broken formulas, right? Now here's the thing. How do you get this for yourself? All the information is in the description. The app name is called SheetXAI. It works inside of Excel. It works inside of Google Sheets. And essentially, once you install it, you just ask questions and it does it for you. It's literally the best AI for Excel, AI for Google Sheets tool right now. Thank you so much, guys. And I hope you have a nice, blessed, amazing day. Thank you.